Here we go, October 1st. Let's check out Bitcoins. I just noticed crypto's running 118,000 right now. Let me move this out of the way. All right, this is my stockcharts.com chart going back to 2018 Lotus 19870, 64, 69, trend line of 124. It's very hard to see here. I would say 130, maybe a little different some charts. This is the way the chart sets up. Yeah, this is still going up. You have this little wave down and once it cross over right here. Now you notice the strength is not as strong, but it still looks like it's trying on the monthly. Weekly chart, let's take a look. Let's go to 5 years. So you see the 15,000 in 2022. There is that color. The money flow was out. It was out. And then we start to move up. Excuse me. So that was the best time to buy. When you're at lows, again, like simplicity in stock market, crypto, lows you buy, on highs you sell. Now, we are running higher and higher. Does that mean it's a good time to buy? I mean, not necessarily, but this could keep running and running. If you're playing, you got to keep your stop tight. So you can see the run here, 15, 53, 74. Any next move down, most likely this 50-day EMA will probably be like 98, 100. And then people panic, we're down 100. Crypto puts in big moves, keeps going up and up. So I don't have any fear of that. Trump's pro crypto. He's going to put in the crypto Fed next year. Everything's just, the way it is. So 118, excuse me. All right, the daily chart. You see 74,000 in April. Another great time to buy 123, 124. It's trying to get above that 125. Now, I would say looking at that 130 line, here's my other chart, TC 2000. You can see the weekly big dip back here, 2025. Looks like it wants to cross back over now. It needs to stay this white above red. Monthly chart, you can see this little loop right there. And we're at 84, 54, 84, 52. It's right on the nose. It's trying to come up here. Quarterly, yearly, you see right here. Daily chart. You can see this move down. You had to move down, you bounced up, and we're in a downtrend. This low right here, you're talking 1451 stochastics, 926. Now we're heading back up. Yeah, 125K, 130. If we break this, now this could come up and test again, come back down. This is a good trend line now. Back in June, right there is close to it, and then that's where we're at right now. So look for 130K plus. Any dip down again, probably be about 110. Let's take a look at my other chart here. This is every moving average here. I got a lot of stuff going on here. So see the trend up. Weekly chart, Elliott wave, monthly chart. That's the big thing. Monthly chart doesn't have much to go on in this yet. So we can see all the EMAs coming down the 200 days, crossing down here about 103,000 right now. All right, let's check out FinViz. What do we see here? Daily chart, there's the April low at 74. You go up, you go up. Pretty much double bottomed here, like 106. You could say right here, look at this 110 back in 2025. Weekly chart. So I love this weekly because you can see, look at the 2020, we came up. And then 23, you're talking 15,000. You go up, back down, you go up again. Now it looks like you want to break that, 120, you could say, right there. That's a good candle. Keep climbing. Monthly chart. There's the lows. Look at the volume. That's interesting. See the volume since 2021? It's getting lower and lower. I'm not sure what that means in crypto, like less people in it. So we'll have to see what that means, but that's where we're at. When could Bitcoin break out to new highs? Well, it looks like it's happening now. Some good crypto news today. Visa, something with stablecoin, something about that. You can read that. So it was good. U.S. clears path for companies to hold Bitcoin tax free. Bitcoin regains 170K's fresh economic data flags weak growth. Bitcoin heads in a historically bullish October at their third best September on record. What else you got here? Risk for crypto Q4. Metaplanet surges 30,000K BTC, create the largest Bitcoin treasury. Traders Eye September jobs report. And there we go. Anyway, so going back to the weekly here. Look at all the lows. They dip 23. They'll dip again. Dip again. Election came. We go up. Dip again. We go up. So each dip is being bought. That's all you have to know right now. Now, if this comes down again strong again, probably be 90 to 100,000. And that's where you'll see support on Bitcoin. All right. So a lot of crypto running. Let's get back to this. Sorry. Let's see here. So Bitcoin's up 4%. Ethereum's up 43.45. See that? Let's look at the dip there on Ethereum. See that? Solana, BNB, they all have the same dips. XRP, Dogecoin, ADA. And I like all these long as far as Dogecoin, of course it's Dogecoin. No, ADA I like. TRX has been on a big run. AVX, XLM, it's coming back. Dot, Litecoin. What else we get here? Link. And when I say long, I mean these have the potential. But this 85 cents. Do you think in a few years this will be like $5? You think about it. Like, why wouldn't it be? If Trump's in office the next 3 years, all this crypto adoption, like why wouldn't it go up? If it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. With him in office. Near AABE, OP, it's all green right now. And I look at crypto different than the stock market as far as these, even like the meme coins, some of them, like they're very like long moves, like years it takes some moves. That's what I'm noticing about this now. I'm not like, of course, a crypto expert. I know ins and outs of everything, but look at this chart since 2023. Look at this. Keep the trend line up. A few trend lines here, the lower trend lines, and that's where we're at right now. All right, so Bitcoin right now, I'm looking for 130,000. And might not go on this little run now, but I think eventually, maybe by the end of the year, we can see 130. We'll see how fast this goes. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. That's it. Peace.